The Law Society of Kenya has urged Parliament to reject the Constitution Amendment Bill 2020, terming it unconstitutional. Speaking before the Joint Justice and Legal Affairs Committees of the bicameral Parliament during public hearings on the bill, LSK President Nelson Havi questioned the process of generating the bill, saying it was not participatory nor inclusive. But the BBI secretariat, which also made submissions, dismissed Havi's claims. And Chemutai Goin reports 15 individuals and institutions appeared before the committees where they pledged support for the constitutional review process.
Legal affairs in both houses.
Lined up to appear before the Joint Senate and National Assembly Justice and Legal Affairs Committee were 18 groups, institutions and persons keen on presenting their views regarding the proposed constitutional review process through the BBI.
Wabiga tafadhali, ningewaomba wapitisha hii kitu ili mashinani wa jiko kama mimi niendelee kufaidika na wale wengine.
All of those who appeared on day one hailing the initiative and vowing to advocate for its approval in their various communities.
Walimaliza uhasama. Mimi nilikuwa nimekosa hata mahali pa kutembea niuse njugu. Lakini wakati wa sasa ninausia kila mtu njugu. Hata nyinyi mkitaka saa hii niko nazo nitawapea mnikule.
However, the Law Society of Kenya took a different position, with President Nelson Havi imploring MPs to shoot down the bill, attracting condemnation from his fellow members of the bar within the committee.
The bill is manifestly unconstitutional for various reasons and will plead with Parliament as the custodian of the people's power on legislation to reject this bill in its entirety.
Chairman, we must know whether my 5 colleagues are here in their individual capacity or on behalf of the Law Society.
I must disassociate myself as a member of Law Society from where I'm included in this memorandum. And I disagree entirely with a lot of the things that they've said.
Our work as senators and members of National Assembly is not to defend the bill, but to interrogate further and to understand and get clarity from any Kenyan who comes what their views are.
Havi had accused its proponents of failing to adhere to the constitutional requirements of public participation and inclusivity, taking particular issue with the proposal to change the structure of the executive by introducing a prime minister and 2 deputies.
The bill is for all practical purposes an initiative of the executive, a process hitherto unknown under the Constitution.
We should not put personal views as views of the LSK chair. LSK is a respected organization in this country. Your co-chair has been a distinguished chair one time. So if your views are aligned politically to certain direction, for example, if you are aligned to Tanga,
Chair,
just say that is your personal view, Chair.
Over 40 county assemblies have made their position known supporting this particular initiative. So really, when some very learned people say that they don't see anything that is a popular initiative in this, then I think it's more of semantics than anything else.
Havi, however, stood his ground, maintaining that the views were of LSK members. The sittings will continue Friday, where the committee will gather more views from the public, after which it will retreat to draft its final report, which will then be tabled concurrently in both houses for consideration. If approved, the bill is sent to the president for approval, with the president expected to hand over the act to the IEBC to facilitate the referendum. IEBC will, however, have to wait for the determination of several cases pending in courts. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV, Nairobi.